welcome to my channel. Today we are watching The 100 Season 3 Episode 2, and I'm just so excited to watch this episode. Last week is the premiere episode of The 100 Season 3, and I admit it's a really good start of the season. It's kind of like building up on what's going to happen in the entire season, and also just the aftermath of what happened on Season 2. So, Clark is Wanhida, right? So, people from Ice Nation, also the Grounders, practically everyone is hunting her because it is a belief that whoever kills her, whoever killed the Wanhida or Clark, is gonna what do you call that? Is gonna get her powers, right? The powers is gonna transfer to him or her, so they're gonna become commander, right? That's what I get last episode. So and it ended, last episode ended with a Grounder captured Clark. So I'm just so excited on what's going to happen next. And yeah, of course we've got this thing with Jasper he's depressed, and he's also still in mourning for Maya's death. So he's a bit cranky and he just wants to die last episode, and I hope that someone knocks some sense on him, and he's gonna be back on being our happy, jolly Jasper. But I doubt it. Maybe this world changed them. Being down here, maybe it changed them. And it's just sad seeing your character change that much. It's just sad, and I'm just so excited on what's next on this episode. Of course, we've got a tension between Lincoln and Octavia. Raven having pains on her back or something. So yeah, and also Monty, Bellamy, Marcus, and Indra is trapped, right? So what's going to happen next? I'm just so excited. So, uncut version of this episode, as well as the early access for the next 2 episodes, are available on Patreon. So if you don't want to wait a week or 2 weeks before you can watch those episodes, head on the Patreon page and you can watch it right there, right now. And yeah, I'm just so excited to start watching this. Without further ado, let's watch The 100 Season 3 Episode 2.
We were born in space.
Get in the turret, you cover us. Once we get to that bridge over there, we'll cover you.
Copy that. Run
Let's
fast.
do this. Oh my god. I hope everyone's okay.
They're here. Monty, let it go.
Monty?
Oh, it's the people from the Ark.
Huh?
Oh!
In the city of light, mankind will finally be
Oh,
free.
so the city is real. This is the city.
Seems here
I
there will
really
be
thought
suffering.
that Josh just been taking drugs.
I'll fill this.
Sorry.
Starting with my people.
Whoa.
Yeah, my word. Yes, John. Where's that?
He didn't make it.
Father didn't make it.
Mm. Clark can take him down. Yep. I bet she's just
On your feet.
acting it. Watch. Oh. She's really passed out. I really thought she was just pretending. Oh, yes, she's pretending. That's good. Oh! Do it. Oh shit, she's still alive.
Nyko.
Oh, it's Nyko.
Be careful!
Hey, whoa.
Hold your fire!
I got him.
What happened?
Your friend, Finn.
broke him. I don't want that happening to you.
Oh, oh, Fane, don't remind me of that. I'm so.
Your daughter killed him too.
Yes. Oh, he's good. Maybe he's gonna be important. He's gonna be important here. It's Clark.
It's Clark. Hey, get out of my way! You'll never make it in time.
He's right. Look.
Damn. He knows it. He sensed it. You're dead. Yep.
Okay, hey, oh, easy. Come on, hey, big fella. There's no harm done, alright? Just put her down.
Just put her down, right?
Oh. What?
You're obviously not loyal to the Ice Nation. So why are you taking me there?
Maybe he's not.
The children are playing in it. They were the first to die.
Damn.
15 of them.
Not all ground is the same.
They are to me.
Well, that's bad.
Now that's tech.
That's the same. Yeah.
It's more than just tech.
You're not wearing your scarf.
He's been brainwashed.
How'd you know how to do that?
The City of Light unburdened me. It made me whole.
Damn. So the chip thing is some kind of, I don't know, it brainwashed them or it changed them. Oh.
I got a better idea.
Damn, what happened to you, Jaha? What happened?
We should go after them.
There's no need.
I'm so
They'll
confused.
understand.
How can
Oh.
you be so sure?
He's got no scars.
You know there's no pain here. There's no death in the City of Light either.
Oh! Okay. I'm really confused.
Places are not evil, brother.
Yeah, people believe.
People are.
Yeah, true.
Abby. For our people.
There's.
theirs.
Yeah. Just talk to Lexa. I'm still bitter on what they did last season, by the way.
Sure.
Oh, crap.
Yeah.
Bellamy, what are you doing?
You can't wait, can you? You can't wait. That's a lot of people. Oh! Ooh! He's gonna save Clark! Oh. Oh my god! Oh. Oh.
Don't follow us.
Damn!
You can't even walk.
So what? We give up?
No, we don't give up.
Let him kill her?
You could die out here. We have no trail.
Can't lose Clark.
Mm?
We can't lose her.
Aw. Yes, we will. We will.
We'll figure something out.
Just
Listen.
tend with your wounds right now. Oh my god.
One hater. Come I done swagger clean.
Lexa? Oh, so she's trying to save her.
Now do yours. Lift my banishment.
Lock Prince Rowan of Azgada away.
Oh, he's Prince.
To ensure one head didn't fall into the hands of the Ice Queen.
Oh.
War is brewing, Clark. I need you.
Oh.
You wanted the commander of death! You got her!
Damn. Clark is so pissed at her. I understand. I'm so pissed at her. I'm still bitter in what happened last season. But damn, he just bit on Lexa. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Woo! Are we getting an aerial shot of the Grounders land? I didn't know that that thing exists in here. Oh my god, this is great. This is absolutely great. Oh my god, maybe I'm thinking that I'm gonna take a whole day again and binge watch all of the episodes again, because these shows just makes you wanna want more, you know. But you know, I've got a lot of things scheduled today, and oh my god, wow. So there you go, guys. It's the season 3 episode 2 of The 100. Really good episode. Another good episode. The 100 never fails to impress me. I'm impressed again of this episode. It's really good. So the one who captured Clark is the prince of Ice Nation, right? He's the prince. And Lexa is the one who captured Clark, right? She ordered it. She wants Clark to be safe, right? And also with Clark on her side, she's gonna win the war. But you know, Clark still don't forgive her on what happened last season, which is so, I really am so pissed at her. I still am. If I remembered that moment when she betrayed us, I'm still so pissed. I hate to say this because I liked her, but she deserves it. Clark spitting at her face. She deserves it, and I hope that things are gonna change. I hope that someday Clark and Lexa is just gonna get along again. And we've got another enemy now. It's the Ice Nation, and I hope all of us will help together again. We'll join forces, and no double cross this time, and no betrayal. Right? I just love it. So Abby and Abby decided to open up the Mount Feather, so they're gonna use all the facilities, and I think it's a good idea. All of the technology there. They can stay there. It can be their safe haven if if war is gonna go down here, right? Because it's impenetrable, right? And they can survive without radiation. So they really don't need oxygen that much. They just let the air go in the vents, I guess. But damn, really good. And also Bellamy and Monty is looking for Clark. I love that. And I love Bellamy. He is just so worried, Clark. And oh my god, I love that scene when he was just rattling and he said that they can't lose Clark, even if it really means that he can't lose Clark. Oh, I love that. This is amazing. So the farm station, those people are alive, right? So Monty's reunited with his mom. So you know, I feel uneasy with Pike, he doesn't trust the grounders, and maybe it will turn out that he wants to just create his own place, right? His own people, his own tribe, and they don't want to be associated with Arcadia. So I have a feeling that that's going to happen, that he's gonna build his own, nation, or his own, you know what I mean? So I hope not, because we need all the people and help, and we can on Arcadia, and they're really good help in here. I hope that they won't separate from us. Yeah, it's good. And the story of Monty's father's death, I was kind of thinking way before and asking why there's no kids on the ark, when they landed. And yeah, so farm station got kids and 15 died, and Monty's father saved 4. So it's just so sad. And what else? We've got also the story on Jaha, which is, I really don't like Jaha this time. He's just brainwashed, right? And they're seeing this city of light. They're being crazy. Maybe it's just like hallucination, right? It's because of the chip. It's a chip. I thought last episode I thought it's a tablet thing, or it's a coin thing that you can use to teleport to City of Lights, but it's a chip. So Jaha gave this other guy the chip, so he gets brainwashed and totally sided on Jaha and don't care about Emery. Yeah, and the bag that Emery tried to steal is the girl in the red dress. It's her brain, or maybe it's it's her device, that it's her way to communicate with Jaha. Man, and the guy that they killed, it's alive on City of Lights. He's there, and they don't have scars. They just clean, proper. And that intrigued me so much, and I'm just so confused on what happened. Does the chip just it's a drug, or it's some kind of a technology that attaches to your system and makes you see this city? I don't know. Or maybe it's a chip that all your brain memory and everything is just stored in that chip, that even if you died, you're are alive in this world, the City of Lights. I don't know. It's so confusing. I'm just speculating things. I'm just assuming things right now, and I hope that as this show progresses, it's gonna make more sense, and we're gonna find answers to all this mystery and questions in here. Yeah, and there's a war coming. War doesn't end. and now it's with the Ice Nation. And did you see the view of the ground? There's the tree crew, right? I don't still know what they call their place. It's not Ton-DC. Ton-DC is the other one, and we haven't had an aerial shot of that. But this one we did, and they got a really high tower there. And yeah, oh my god, this is amazing. And I'm just so ready to explore this world, and I hope we're gonna see Ice Nation, aerial shot again. We already seen the City of Lights, which is really great also. And yeah, I'm just so excited on what's to come on this season 3 of The 100. So there you go, guys. Let me know your thoughts about this episode in the comment section down below, and hit the thumbs up button if you love my The 100 reactions, and please subscribe to my channel for reactions every week, or an uncut version of this episode, as well as the early access of the next 2 episodes are up and available on Patreon. So if you don't want to wait a week or 2 weeks before you can watch those episodes, head on my Patreon page and you can watch it right there, right now. And yeah, I'm just so thankful for all of you guys, for all of your support, and thank you for watching.